The reason we love joint replacement and joint replacement patients is because it makes a huge difference in their lives. Joint replacement has been shown to be incredibly life-giving and even life-preserving. As patients regain function, they regain their health, their activity level, and even their relationships as they're able to be more active. Midwest Center for Joint Replacement is a destination center for hip and knee replacement. We specialize in outpatient surgery, we specialize in anterior hip replacements, partial knee replacement, and we do a lot of complex revision work.
Everybody who comes to see us with a hip or knee condition, their quality of life has been limited in some way, whether it's function around the house, function in athletics, and our main goal is to restore quality of life, relieve pain, improve function. Everything surrounding the surgical care of arthritis, we seek to take the pain out of that process.
The opportunity to take someone who's in a really painful place, clear evidence on x-rays of bad arthritis, and then in one day do a surgery, they can potentially go home the same day. That's such an incredible gift.
All of our surgeons have finished an orthopedic residency, done additional specialized training all over the world, and now can bring that expertise together.
Everyone has a like-mindedness about how to care for the patient. You feel it from the phone call that's answered, you feel it from the front desk staff, from the person taking the x-ray, from the nurses and the PAs, from the surgeons.
A lot of compassion and empathy, characteristics that are really important to building a great team culture.
I think to be on a team where everybody is rowing in the same direction, has the same philosophy on life, on family, on patient care, it really makes for an amazing practice and I think therefore an amazing patient experience.
Part of what unifies our team is the excitement of seeing patients go from completely incapacitated, where every step hurts, and to see them post-op where, they've gotten their life back. To have a field where we're able to give that back to them is something that brings us a lot of joy.